Welcome Cebu Realty, the real estate channel of the Philippines. Right now, I'm here in Minglanilla, Cebu. This is a two-story house located inside a packet size overlooking. This is the living area. It's just a nice couch. It has already a screen door for mosquito. This is for the cabinet for plates. It is also for sale if one is interested. That is the door brown color. That's where the storage or the maid's quarter. The white door is the toilet and bath. And this is the dining area. This is the stairs going up. And beside the dining area is the kitchen. This is the bedroom near the stairs. This is the balcony for the master. The master's bedroom has its own toilet and bath. It has also balcony. The second bedroom has own balcony. So the third floor has 3 bedrooms. Master's bedroom has its own toilet and bath, and the 2 bedrooms has a common toilet and bath. Thank you for watching Cebu Realty, the real estate channel.